Going to do continue to the app. When you continue on the application, what's gonna happen, what are you going to see? So first is going to see you have to log into the CBP app, because remember we created an account already, so you have to use that account to log into the CBP app to continue to enter all your information. So when you first open the application, you're going to see that the app is going to ask you, who are you? So you have to select the traveler. So the traveler, which is who is the beneficiary or the person that's going to travel. So also you have to mention that you're going to travel by air, so that means you're going to fly, right? So make sure that you follow what's on the screen step by step until you get to what you need. So the second step will be the you're going to request. This is all where they're going to ask you to put your information, right? Advanced travel authorization. So basically using the CBP app, you're going to use it to request advanced travel authorization. This is what it is, and then you're going to add all the information that they ask you on the application, so they can grant the beneficiary access to travel. So the CBP app, we use it to ask or to request travel authorization. So the third step, so they're gonna ask you to enter, or they're going to ask the beneficiary to enter the alien number. The A number is basically on the application number, you will see it. So the sponsor should be able to give that to the beneficiary, right? The fourth step is to scan your passport. So the beneficiary going to scan their passport on the application, and then once the scan is going to upload to the system, so USS or the immigration will have the would have all the information they need about the beneficiary, so they'll be able to travel easily with all the information that the USS collect from them. But also they're going to ask you to enter, to take a picture of yourself. That means the beneficiary will need to enter to take a picture to the application, the CBP application. To after they upload the passport, they're going to take a picture so they can verify that that's the person, right? After that, you enter the after the beneficiary enter all that information. So the system is going to verify everything, and then the beneficiary has to review everything that the passport number is correct. The system save all the information and all the information correctly, right? Once you do that, and then the beneficiary going to hit submit. Once the beneficiary submit, and then it's all good to go. Now we have to wait for USS or immigration to approve this request, right? Let's go to the next step. Security travel authorization that we requested using the CBP app. And then as you can see on the screen, that person was approved to travel to the US. So once you're approved to travel, you have 90 days to travel to the US, or this form going to be expired. Once it's expired, you cannot travel, you cannot come, we have to reapply for you. But we have to do that, within 3 months, 90 days. So come to the US, and then the next step will be one is to